Ever wondered how Microsoft Intune is used to implement email policies on mobile devices? Or perhaps you're curious about the role of Azure Site Recovery and disaster recovery. Welcome to a deep dive into the world of Microsoft Intune, Windows features and more. Microsoft Intune, a powerful tool, allows you to create configuration profiles that specify email access policies. These profiles are then assigned to devices or users, effectively implementing the email policies. It's like having a personal assistant ensuring your email security protocols are always in place. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Windows Hello for Business. This is an authentication feature that uses biometric methods such as facial recognition and fingerprint scanning, or even a PIN to enhance security. It's configured in the Security Policy Administration, enabling these methods on devices. It's like having a high-tech security guard for your device. But what about when disaster strikes? Azure Site Recovery comes into play here. This service enables the replication and recovery of virtual machines and applications in Azure in case of a disaster. It ensures business continuity and recovery of critical systems. Think of it as your safety net in the digital world. Next up, we have Microsoft Intune Device Compliance. This feature assesses the compliance status of devices with the organization's security policies. It's used to monitor aspects like password presence, encryption, and operating system updates. It's your personal compliance officer, keeping your devices in check. Microsoft Intune also plays a key role in managing apps on mobile devices. It does this by deploying configuration profiles that can contain security policies, app configurations, and data access permissions. It's like having a digital manager for your apps. Let's talk about protection against malware. Windows Defender. Antivirus, a security solution, offers real-time protection against malware and threats. Configured in Windows security settings, it can be customized to perform on-demand and scheduled scans. It's your personal digital bodyguard. Microsoft Intune Win32. App deployment is another feature that allows the deployment of Win32 applications on managed devices. It's used to create an installation package and configure deployment and detection rules for Win32 applications. It's like having a logistics team for your applications. Windows Device Manager is a tool that manages hardware and drivers in the system. It's used to view and update drivers, disable devices, and resolve hardware problems. It's like having a mechanic for your device. Finally, Microsoft Intune is used to configure Wi-Fi network policies on mobile devices. This is done by creating configuration profiles that specify the Wi-Fi network details like the SSID and access credentials. It's like having a network engineer at your disposal. To wrap it up, Microsoft Intune is a versatile tool that aids in implementing email policies, managing apps, assessing device compliance, deploying Win32 applications, and configuring Wi-Fi network policies. On the other hand, Windows offers features like Windows Hello for Business for authentication, Windows Defender antivirus for protection against malware, and the Windows Device Manager for hardware and driver management. And let's not forget, Azure Site Recovery as a safeguard for business continuity in case of disasters. These tools and features, when used effectively, can greatly enhance the security, management, and recovery capabilities of your IT infrastructure.